team members are trained to respond accordingly. We thank you in advance. Get your cameras ready for your viewing pleasure, the Arizona Precision Motorcycle Drill Team. The team starts off today with a figure 8, splitting the team into 2 diamond formations consisting of 4 bikes in each diamond. Now hold your breath as the 2 diamonds pass through each other. Yeah, that was close. Now they're going to make it a little more interesting. Let's put all 8 bikes into 1 diamond and do another figure 8. Did you know that the riders in the middle cannot fall over? There isn't enough room. Give them a big hand. Now the team's getting ready for a new maneuver that they call the Gary Square. 2 squads seem to aim at each other, pass, do a flare circle, and return to single file. Very nice. Thank you, guys. Now, what do you call it when the 2 squads make flare circles that overlap each other? We call it our gear mesh. Good timing and proper spacing makes this one work. Good job, team. Now they're doing a flare induces and a heart in field. Watch closely while they spin around. Give them a big hand. Now they're going to do a flare induces and a heart in field. Watch close. So it's the real again. So good. Give them a hand. Now they do a heart in field. Line up in 4 by feet. In a minute. What you're seeing is the 2 squads flaring left, then flare right, and then flare out together. Now watch the 2 squads perform a flanking maneuver. Right squad first, both squads second, left squad third to land together. If you liked it, put your hands together. Next is a wonderful opportunity. Seeing the line up in 2s and then 4s. This is very pretty. Good job. The twos, fours are back to the diamond. Very nice. This team practices every week, all year, even when the temperatures are down to 40 degrees or up to 110 in Phoenix. Dial that for your viewing pleasure today. We hope you are enjoying it. Just imagine for a moment that you are riding with a building. Next maneuver calls for you to drive your 1,000-pound motorcycle towards another 1,000-pound motorcycle and then turn directly in front of it. Wow, a very dangerous maneuver. And it's listed as stronger. We like to call it antenna mating. Get your cameras ready. As we circle in two groups of four, guys are setting up the hardest thing. Okay, they're doing a first squad will come to the center of the square and pass in the four. Then they come back to the center and do a pause as the storm of ice back to the four bites. The third time they come to the center, they will all do a flare together. All of this is happening in both squares at the same time. Put your hands together for a job very well done. Now they end up with two circles. Very nice. Now the team's forming up into two diamonds to show you their famous diamond pasture.